Warriors ready to fly with a legend of the skies? Today on Military Colossus, we unveil the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the light, agile, and lethal fighter that became a global benchmark. Throughout the video, we'll reveal curiosities, impressive numbers, and F-16 secrets. And pay attention, the last topics will surprise you. Prepare for the mission. The F-16 was the first production fighter with fly-by-wire, where pilot inputs go through computers that filter and adjust control surfaces instead of direct mechanical linkages. This increases precision, prevents dangerous maneuvers, and enables its relaxed stability design, making it naturally unstable but highly agile. A 30-degree reclined seat helps the pilot endure up to 9G maneuvers in combat. The F-16 structure features a frameless bubble canopy granting 360-degree visibility, vital in dogfights. Its side stick replaces the traditional center stick, easing fatigue and improving precision. The cockpit is elevated and reclined for better view and G resistance. A single underbelly air intake feeds the engine, simplifying the airframe and reducing drag, one reason for the jet's lasting efficiency. The F-16 carries an internal 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon and a wide array of bombs and missiles. Among them is the AIM-9 Sidewinder, a short-range heat-seeking air-to-air missile for close dogfights. The AIM-120 AMRAAM, on the other hand, is a medium-range air-to-air missile with active radar, able to hit targets beyond visual range. The jet can also deploy laser-guided bombs, rockets, and electronic warfare pods.
The F-16 grew through many blocks. The AB originals, then CD with upgraded avionics, all-weather radar, and AMRAAM, granting beyond visual range kills. The EF added ESA APG-80 radar and stronger engines. The F-16XL experimented with cranked arrow wings for lift and payload, while Japan's Mitsubishi F-2 enlarged the Falcon with local electronics. This adaptability is why the jet still thrives worldwide.
Over 25 nations fly the F-16, with local builds like Korea's KF-16 and Japan's Mitsubishi F-2. As the first Western fighter widely exported, it standardized NATO and Allied fleets. Many operators upgrade to the F-16V Viper standard, adding AESA radar and digital avionics. Its global spread makes the Falcon not just a fighter, but a shared link across Allied air forces worldwide. Designed as lightweight and affordable, the F-16 proved itself a true multi-role platform. Interceptor, air superiority, patrol, strike, and SEAD. It enforced Iraq no-fly zones, flew Balkan operations, and also became the mount of the USAF Thunderbirds aerobatic team. Its career highlights the Falcon's unmatched flexibility, adapting seamlessly to almost any mission profile demanded by modern air warfare. Mission accomplished, warriors. If you enjoyed the power of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell to follow the next missions. Every week we bring new military machines with detailed information and exclusive footage. Comment. Which aircraft or vehicle would you like to see in the next video? Support Military Colossus with a donation. Link in the description and pinned comment. Your support keeps the channel flying higher and higher. See you in the next mission.